Welcome to Clarion Federal Credit Union's how-to video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Bill Pay, a free service that is offered to all credit union members with a checking account. First, you will want to open up your web browser and visit our webpage at www.clarionfcu.org. Once on our homepage, you'll click on the online banking icon in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll want to log in with your online banking information. Across the top here, you'll see in the tabs, Accounts, Activity, Transfer, Bill Pay. You'll want to click on Bill Pay. The screen to enroll will pop up, and you will want to choose a phrase that you will easily recognize and know the answer to. Below, you will want to read the entire disclaimer so you fully understand how Bill Pay works. Once you are finished, you will want to click Go. But before I click Go, I want to point out the Alternative Demo and Learn More button on the right-hand side of the page to get additional information on Bill Pay if you are interested. So go ahead and click Go. A box will pop up to get you started, and you will want to click on Continue. Before you get started setting up payees on your account, you will want to make sure you have all your bills in front of you with correct addresses, account numbers, and phone numbers to make the process easier. Popular payees are the most common payees set up through Bill Pay, so the first thing you will want to do is click on View Popular Payees to see if any of your bills may be listed there. Click on that. And here you'll see some listed. If you recognize any and you can use them, that's great. For now, I'm just going to choose Verizon Wireless. Click Next. Here you will enter in your account number. The information I'm going to be entering is just demo account information, so it's not actually correct. And here you will want to fill in the requested information like the phone number, address, and so on. Again, this is just demo information, so it is not actually the correct information. I'm going to select my primary account because I only have one account listed under this demo account. And once you are finished with all that information, go ahead and click Submit. And here that bill will be set up. So you'll see where it says Verizon Wireless on the left. And underneath, if you take note, it says check. So that is actually how the credit union will be paying that bill for you. We will be sending out a check for you. Right here, you can enter in the amount that you would like to pay. So I'm going to click 100. And then you can select your payment date. Open this up here. You're going to make the payment date the 18th, and it's going to deliver by the 30th. And then you would just click Pay, and that would schedule that payment. But I'm actually going to delete this out of here because I want to show you how you are able to make it recurring if you'd like. So just click on Make It Recurring. And under here, you will just fill out the requested information. Again, I'm going to make this $100. The frequency, I'm going to pay it monthly. Select the first payment date to go out on the 18th. If the payment falls on a holiday or weekend, what would you like it to do? I'm going to click Pay Before. And will this payment series end? And I'm going to select No. Underneath here, you can just put in a memo as an extra reminder for you what this is. I'm going to put type cell phone bill in here. And then you would click Submit. But I'm not going to do that because I want to show you what it would look like if you would schedule the payment from right here. So again, I'm going to type in $100. Payment date, I'm going to make that the 18th, deliver by the 30th, and click Pay. And right here you can see that your payment was scheduled. And then from here, you can click Schedule More, and you are able to add more payees and continue paying your bills from here. Now I'm going to show you how to add a payee from scratch. So you'll just want to click on the Add a Payee button, the left corner. It's going to ask you if you'd like to pay a company, a person, or a bank or credit union. We are going to pay a company. So I'm going to click Company and then Next. I'm going to enter the payee name. I'm going to do Shirey Sanitation. Keep in mind this is all demo information, so it is not correct information. It'll ask for your account number. The phone number, then also the zip code. And once you have filled that information out and you are sure that it's correct, go ahead and click Next. On this page, it will ask you to fill out the address. So again, review the information and make sure it's correct. And once you are sure it's correct, go ahead and click Next. And here it will bring you back to your payments screen. And you will see at the left, on the left-hand corner here, under Shirey Sanitation, it again says check. So the credit union will be sending a check out for that bill for you. So I'm going to enter in $20 here and make that payment date also go out the 18th, and it will deliver by the 30th, and then you will just click pay. Again, here it will show you that your payment has been scheduled, so go ahead and click schedule more, and it brings you back to your payment screen. If you look on the right hand side from this screen, you will see your pending transactions that are going out to pay your bills. So you'll see Verizon and Shirey and then the total, and that's a really nice way to keep track of ones that you've already paid that will be going out. Another unique option Bill Pay provides is being able to pay a person. So if you look in the upper left-hand corner at the tab that says Pay a Person, click on that, and it will provide these options. If you select the first one, the recipient will provide their routing number and account number, so they would get an email requesting this information. They would fill it back out for you, and their information would be then provided. And the money would be paid within 1 to 2 business days. The next option, called direct deposit, is where you would enter in the recipient's routing number and account number if you knew it, and then they would also receive the money in 1 to 2 business days. The last one is a check you can choose is check. So we would mail a check to that person and they would receive it in 5 to 7 business days. Another feature worth exploring on Bill Pay are the Bill Pay alerts. So if you look at My Account tab on the very far right, click on that. You want to read through and find Bill Pay alerts, and underneath that, click on View Alerts. Here you will find a list of alerts that will help make your account more secure. If you looked on the left-hand side, you can check whether you'd like to be notified via email or mobile phone. You will want to read through and see which ones are important to you. For now, I'm just going to choose a few that I think are important. Going to choose to be notified when a payment is scheduled that exceeds $400. So I don't typically pay anything out of my Bill Pay that exceeds that amount, so it will give you a way to verify that transaction when something like that is scheduled. I'm also going to choose to be notified when a payee or transfer account is added to my account, so that way it will help protect you against fraud. If something is added to your account, you'll get a notification and you can go in and double check that. Everyone should probably sign up for that one because it is another layer of protection for your account. And then I'm also going to choose send me a list of transactions that are being paid each month. So that way I can look and make sure all my bills are being paid each month, and it gives you a record of what's been paid. Once you are finished, go ahead and click Update. And it'll let you know on the right-hand side that your account has successfully been updated. This concludes my how-to video on Bill Pay.